Hello, Namaskar. I am Mrs. Madhu Sharma, registered dietitian from Chandigarh. I retired from PGI Chandigarh about 12 years back. And since then, I am doing my own practice. I freelance in clinical nutrition. And my main areas of interest are basically, weight loss, thyroid, diabetes, and of course, pediatric nutrition also has been my forte since I was there in the pediatric gastroenterology department and in the pediatrics department for more than a decade. So, and I published a few books on pediatric nutrition. So that's again which is close to my heart. But I'm here with you today to share something new which I've learned, which has been an eye-opener, the concept of functional medicine. And this concept of functional medicine, I came to know by just a chance meeting with Dr. Priti Nanda, and she, opened me to this new world of functional medicine, which says it treats the root cause of all the diseases, and not just the disease itself. I mean, basically you treat the human being as a holistic thing, not by individual diseases. And through my own journey with her for my certain health issues, I realized that this was something very interesting and very practical. It made sense, and that's what led me to explore further what it was all about, and if I could learn a little bit more on this. And I gathered that there is this course run by Autoimmunitycare. They have a certificate course, basic 3 months certificate course for beginners, just to sort of exposure to this world, how it is, what it's all about, and how we function, how we treat diseases or how we manage them, how we interpret. It's the same clinical reports that we interpret in mainstream medicine. Now I call it mainstream because I'm also beginning to be a part of the functional world, and how you look at those reports, how you interpret them, and then how you work on them. And nutrition is one big forte in this, so that's what brought me closer to this. Nutrition and the gut. So that has been my close forte since many years. Since I was in PGI, I've been in the gastroenterology department for almost 30 years. So that was my big attraction to incentive to know more about this. And I think all of us nutritionists, we should be introduced into this concept also, because that will help us in our practice. It's nothing but just something practical, and it's what our ancestors practiced to a great extent. They were there; those concepts were there, but probably we had forgotten somewhere down the line, and now we are trying to relearn them with more proof and evidence for these things, and more explanations and justification for these things that existed initially. And basically the whole thing all the diseases starts from the gut. So we treat the gut first, and then we treat it, the nutrition that is required, what all is lacking, what all is required. So that is all about it. So I think I will very strongly recommend all of you, all my nutrition colleagues in fraternity out there, to just explore this. And I'm sure probably you will go further down and will do much more in this, because this is just a certificate course. And yes, that's it. I found it very interesting, and I strongly recommend this course from Autoimmunitycare. Thank you.